Up for this challenge? Do you want to know the success behind different businesses? Thinking of becoming a businessman in the future? Well, you must remember this. Solve the numbers, work hard for your business, and strive for success. Good day, young entrepreneurs, senior high school students. Today is a brand new day to learn. I am Sir Hill, your business manager, and welcome to Grade 11 Business Mathematics. What is business mathematics? Business mathematics are mathematics used by commercial enterprises to record and manage business operations. This subject typically includes elementary arithmetic, fractions, decimals, and percentages. Basic arithmetic involving fractions, decimals and percentages, proportion, mark on, mark down, and markup of a product, discount, profit and loss, break-even point, buy and sell, and interest will be discussed on this quarter. But not only that, you can also learn to appreciate and understand the things related to business which can help you a lot in putting up your own business in the future. So what are you waiting for? Sit back, relax, and together let us learn business mathematics. Hi everyone! Welcome to Biz Math Challenge, wherein in every episode, we will randomly choose a category to identify and unlock vocabularies used in business mathematics. And for today's episode, randomizer, select a category. Thank you. And our category for today is jumbled letters. Jumbled letters set number 1. 5 seconds. Fraction. Jumbled letters set number 2. 5 seconds. The correct answer is decimal. Jumbled letters set number 3. 5 seconds. The correct answer is percentage. Jumbled letter set number 4. 5 seconds. The correct answer is convert. Jumbled letter set number 5. 5 seconds. The correct answer is whole. Did you get all the mathematical terms? Very good! Till our next BizMath challenge. But for now, let us proceed to our today's discussion. Can you answer the following questions? Is 1/2 equal to 0.25? Is 75% the same as 3/4? Is 0.2 is equivalent to 20%? Before we proceed to our discussion for today, let us define first the different terms we have encountered at the beginning of this program. So what is fraction? A fraction refers to a part of a whole. That is when you cut a paper into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a fraction. Example of fractions are 1/4, 3/10, 1/2, 12/7, and 3 1/4. What are the types of fractions? There are 3 types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. Proper fractions are fractions whose numerator is always less than its denominator. Examples of this type are 1/2, 3/4, 7/15, 27/59, and 91/120. Improper fractions are fractions whose numerator is always greater than its denominator. Some examples of this type are 6/5, 12/7, 65/16, 89/24, and 100/9. Mixed fractions are combinations of a whole number and a proper fraction. Examples are 3 1/4, 7 2/5, 18 12/25, 25 7/9, and 5 and 4 over 140. Now that we have learned the different types of fraction, let us now define what is decimal and percentage. Decimal refers to a special form or system of numbers whose base are in the power of 10. The examples of decimals are in the form 0.25, 3.14, 0.0125, 89.78, and 2.005. Percentage refers to a special form of numbers in each hundred. They are numbers ratio to 100 and with a percentage symbol. Examples are 25%, 0.02%, 100%, 94.95%, and 1.75%. Did you now understand the concept of fraction, decimal, and percentage? I know you did. So on the following given, identify whether it is a fraction, decimal, or percentage. Ready? 1/5. Correct. 1/5 is a fraction. How about 4.24%? Very good. 4.24% is a percentage. Lastly, 5.02. Fantastic! 5.02 is a decimal. Since we already understand how to identify decimal, fraction, and percentage, so now let us study the relationship between these three terms and its conversion. As we say conversion, it is a process of changing or causing something to change from one form to another. For example, from fraction to decimal, decimal to percentage, percentage to fraction, and vice versa. But how are we going to make the steps in conversion? To convert or express proper or improper fraction in decimal form, we simply divide the numerator by the denominator. Consider this example. Convert 1 over 4. The given fraction in our example is 1 over 4. Can you still remember what type of fraction is this? Very good! This is a proper fraction. To convert 1/4 to decimal form, we divide the numerator 1 by the denominator 4. 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0.25. Therefore, 1/4 is equivalent to 0.25 in decimal form. Now, let us try the reverse. Conversion of decimal into fraction form. To convert or express decimal to fraction form, we need to do the following steps. For example, let us convert 0.75 to fraction form. Step 1. Write the decimal value as a fraction with the denominator of 1. Step 2. Multiply the resulting fraction numerator and denominator by 10, where n is the number of digits after the decimal point. In this case, n is equal to 2 because 0.75, there are 2 digits after the decimal point. 0.75 over 1 times 10 squared is equal to 75 over 100. Step 3. Simplify the product. In 75 over 100, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 25. 75 over 100 divided by 25 over 25 is equal to 3 over 4. Therefore, 0.75 is equivalent to 3 over 4. Did you understand the process? Well, just remember to follow the steps in conversion of decimal to fraction and vice versa. Ensure you will have the correct answer. Next, let us proceed on how to convert fraction to percentage and vice versa. Ready? To convert or express fraction to percentage, we will divide the numerator by the denominator and then multiply the quotient by 100. Afterwards, indicate the percent sign to the product. For example, convert 2 over 5 to percent form. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0.40. Step 2. Multiply the quotient by 100. 0.40 times 100 is equal to 40. Step 3. Indicate the percent sign to the product. 40%. Therefore, 2 over 5 is equivalent to 40%. On the other way around, in converting or expressing percentage to fraction form, if the percent value is a whole number, we write the percent value as a fraction with the denominator of 100 and simplify the resulting fraction. For example, convert 35% to fraction form. Step 1. Write the percent value as a fraction with the denominator of 100. 35 over 100. Step 2. Simplify the resulting fraction. In 35 over 100, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 5. 35 over 100 divided by 5 over 5 is equal to 7 over 20. Therefore, 35% is equivalent to 7 over 20. Did you get the same answer? That's great! Now, let us study the conversion of decimal to percent and vice versa. To convert or express decimal to percent form, we simply multiply the decimal value by 100 and indicate the percent sign to the product. For example, convert 0.63 to percent form. Step 1. Multiply the decimal value by 100. 0.63 times 100 is equal to 63. Step 2. Indicate the percent sign to the product. That is 63%. Therefore, 0.63 is equivalent to 63%. You got it right! As simple as that. Moving forward, let us do the vice versa as we convert percentage to decimal form. To convert or express percentage to decimal form, we simply divide the percent value by 100. For example, convert 15% to decimal form. Divide the percent value by 100. 15 divided by 100 is equal to 0.15. Therefore, 15% is equivalent to 0.15 in decimal form. Now that we have learned the relationship between fraction, decimal, and percentage, let us try to analyze and solve the following situations. Aljur has 20 pairs of shoes. Out of 20 pairs, he donated 12 pairs to orphanage in Bataan. How many percent of the total shoes did he donate? To find the answer, remember to use the following steps in solving mathematical word problems. Identify what is asked. Enumerate the given. Identify the type of conversion to be used. Perform the steps indicated, and give your final answer. Are you up for the challenge? Ready, start, let's go! With the given problem, let us identify first what is asked. Do you know the answer? Correct! How many percent of the total shoes did he donate? Therefore, we have to find the percentage of the total shoes that he donated to the orphanage. How about the given facts? Yes, we have the following given. Number of shoes donated is 12 and number of total shoes is 20. Can you identify what kind of conversion to be used? That's right. Since the given is a fraction form, which is 12 over 20, and we have to convert it into the percent form. Therefore, what we need is a fraction to percent conversion. Using the steps in our discussion, convert 12 over 20 to percent form. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 12 divided by 20 is equal to 0.60. Step 2. Multiply the quotient by 100. 0.60 times 100 is equal to 60. Step 3. Indicate the percent sign to the product. That is 60%. Therefore, 12 over 20 is equivalent to 60%. With the help of the problem-solving steps, we're able to resolve Aljur's problem in which he donated 60% of his shoes to the orphanage at Bataan. At this moment, let us try to have another real-life situation. Raver's daily allowance is 120 pesos. He spent 80% of his daily allowance on mobile data for his online class. Express the amount spent for the mobile data in fraction form. As always, remember to use the steps in problem solving. Express the amount spent in mobile data in fraction form. Enumerate the given. Internet allowance is 80% and daily allowance is 120 pesos. Identify the type of conversion to be used. Percentage to fraction form. Perform the steps indicated. Convert 80% to fraction form. Step 1. Write the percent value as a fraction with a denominator of 100. That's 80 over 100. Step 2. Simplify the resulting fraction. In 80 over 100, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 20. 80 over 100 divided by 20 over 20 is equal to 4 over 5. Therefore, 80% is equivalent to 4 over 5. Did you get the same answer? Very good, everyone. Job well done. Now, let us answer the hanging question that we had at the beginning of this episode. Can you answer the following questions? Is 1/2 equal to 0.25? This is incorrect. 1/2 is equal to 0.5 and not to 0.25. Is 75% the same as 3/4? That's correct. 75% is the same as 3/4. Is 0.02 equivalent to 20%? This is wrong. 0.02 is not equivalent to 20%, but it is equivalent to 2%. Since I know that you mastered all the topics that we have discussed for today, let us try to answer the following for knowledge check. It's Math TikTok time! Are you ready? Let's do it! Convert 25 over 100 into a decimal form. A is 0.25 and B is 2.50. Convert 12% into a fraction form. A is 25 over 3 or B is 3 over 25. Convert 0.55 into a percent form. A, 5.5% or B, 55%. Convert 15 over 8 into a decimal form. A, 1.875 or B, 1.675. Convert 1.3% into a decimal form. A, 13.00 or B, 0.013. Did you get a perfect score? I know you did. Congratulations! So today, we'll just not simply study the concepts of fraction, decimal, and percent, but we also learn to appreciate how to allocate wisely through converting fraction, decimal, and percentage. See, young entrepreneurs, business math is interesting, challenging, and fulfilling, especially when we could help others by solving mathematical problems. Well, that is all for today, young entrepreneurs. On our next episode, we will further discuss solving word problems involving decimal, fraction, and percent. This is your Business Manager, Sir of Hill, and thank you for watching Senior High School Grade 11 Business Mathematics. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, DepEd TV Official, for more information and updates. See you again next week! Learn and chill with Sir of Hill, only here on DepEd TV.